Hey everybody, welcome back to Paul's Workshop. Today I want to show you something I picked up for a great deal at Tractor Supply Company. It's right after Christmas, and I always like to stop into some of the stores and see what's going on, what's on sale, what's on clearance. And they had quite a bit of good tools and things on clearance there in Tractor Supply. I also noticed Walmart lately and even Home Depot have a lot of stock left over, and there are a lot of good deals out there on multiple things, not just tools, but lots of things for the garage, for the home. It's a good thing if you're out looking for a good deal, but it kind of reminds me of Christmas around 2008. So wonder if it's a sign of things to come. But it just seems like there's a lot of back stock, a lot of leftover stock in the store. So let me show you what I found. Well, here it is, driving around today, passing I keep wanting to call it Harbor Freight, but passing Tractor Supply. I decided to pop in just to see what they had, and here it is. Here's the price on this. The regular price was $99.99. Picked it up for $49.99. Actually, let me see what the tag underneath, if there was another, if that was a secondary markdown or not. Wait a minute, did they mark it at $39.99 by mistake? $349, I think somebody was playing around. So yeah, so $99.99. It went down for $49.99, 50% off. So just get that tag off of there anyway. All right, and this is a Bosch 1/2-inch brushless hammer drill and driver kit. Do I need another drill? The answer to that is yes, because this one's a hammer drill. I have a hammer drill that plugs in. I don't have a cordless hammer drill. I also don't own anything that's brushless, so this will be the first time I have something that's brushless. So let's see what's inside. Now, when I got to the car, I already broke the 2 seals, and I peeked inside just to make sure that the tool was inside. I've been reading a lot of cases online where people have been purchasing drills and things like that from Home Depot and Lowe's, and when they get the box home, there's either no tool inside, is something to make up for weight, or a tool that's not what's on the outside. So I did make sure that at least there was a tool inside, and this is what we have to start. We have a nice tool bag. A lot of people toss these away. I may end up actually keeping this drill in this bag because it's a different kind of a drill than what I normally have, but it's a nice bag. It's a good tool bag. Have a belt clip. Instruction manual. Instruction manual for the charger. The Pro Vantage Tool Protection Plan. Now, I wonder if this costs extra, or if you just have to register your tool. That's something to look at, because they were offering an extended warranty in the store, which I didn't take. But Bosch already offers a 3-year tool protection plan. Register cordless tool today for maximum uptime guaranteed. So I'll take a look at that on my own later. So here's a tool packed with the 18-volt battery. It's a small battery, 2 amp hour, but for, $50, feels nice in the hand. It has a good weight to it. It has a metal chuck. So that's nice to see, a metal chuck. Yeah. Feels like it's fully charged. Oh, look at that. Oh, no, it has one light on the battery, so we're gonna have to charge it before we go and really put it through its paces. But that's nice to have on a small cheapy battery like that. And then you have your light on the front, your work light. We get, oh, this is cute. Get a couple of bits in there, and a little bit holder, so we'll open that up in a minute and see what's in there. Empty box. And then in here, very simple charger, not much on that. So, well, I'm going to plug this in and charge it. Oh, the nice thing, look, it has the little keyholes on there so you can hang this on the wall, which is good. Which I have most of my chargers hung on the wall. Yeah, like I said, really, do I need another drill? No, but we do need a hammer drill. So we'll put this battery on charge and we'll come back and we'll do some tests with it. It is 45 minutes later, and our battery is now fully charged. So that was pretty quick charging. Here's the bits that come with it. Kind of an odd assortment, really. There's a Phillips here, and then, geez, if it would just focus. A P2R2, and an R2, and what looks like a Torx. So I guess just a little something to get you going. And these are Bosch impact bits. Here's your metal chuck. Reversible. Little reverse switch there. Then you have your hammer set, your drill, and your screw setting, which is kind of nice. So let's drive a couple of screws, and we'll drill a couple of holes, and I'll give you my thoughts. We have a nice scrap 2x4 here. Start off with a drywall screw. Drive a, oops, just another one in there. Plenty of torque. And maybe we're doing some decking. Let's dial back the torque a bit so we don't drive in too deep. Okay. I'm going to change it out to a socket. And let's put these lag bolts in, see how they look. We really should pre-drill our lags, right? But we're going to give it that. So, does a nice job. Let's see how it makes holes. Switch to a 3/8 drill bit here. Not new, not old, just an average drill bit. Set the clutch to drilling. I knew that was going to happen. Next up, I'm going to try an 1 3/8 Forstner bit. Sometimes these can be a pain, so let's give this a try. The first part of my test of the masonry bit wasn't too happy with the way it was drilling. And I forgot that I needed to switch this speed control up here. So this is my second round test hole. This is the original test holes. This was a 1/2 inch, this was a 3/8, and it was not an effective hammer drill. Not set with the switch to number 1, but with the switch to number 2, let's take a look. So yeah, much more effective drill. when you have it set to the right setting. There it is, the Bosch Hammer Drill 18-volt brushless. Not a bad drill for the 50 bucks we paid for it. So that's it. That's it for today. This was a fun one. It's always great to get a new tool. Do we need another tool? Yeah, we always need a new tool. And let me know in the comments if you want to see me try out this guy here, the old Kmart drill. That's been sitting here in the shop for a couple of years. Picked it up on eBay. And if you want to see how that works, yeah, let us know below in the comments and we'll give that one a run too. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye.